learn how to make automatic salary slip in Excel. So let's start step by step. No manual work, everything will calculate it automatically. So here you can see I create simple salary slip. Just enter here employee ID, other details will automatically changed. Here you can see the current employee name is Priya. When I edit this employee ID and I enter here 103, press the enter and now you can see the Amish salary details here showing. Again I edit it 104 and press the enter. Now Sneha salary details here showing. So let's see how it's done. So to create this automatic salary slip, first add your employees detail in another sheet. So here you can see the second sheet employees. I added here employees detail, employee ID, name, basic salary, HRA and allowance. And after that in salary slip, I added here the first employee ID 101. Okay. And here the second row employee's name. To get the employee name automatically in this cell, enter here VLOOKUP formula. Select the cell, use the is equal to VLOOKUP, then select the employee ID cell, use the comma. Now go to your employees data sheet number 2 and here you can see in formula bar your formula here showing. Now select the all column, just click on the column later and drag with the mouse and select with the A to E. Then add here comma and here enter your column number of employee name. So here the column number of employee name is second. Okay, in second column the employee name here showing. So I just enter here 2. Again use the comma and select here the false exact match. Okay, then bracket closed and enter. And that's it. Here you can see 101 employee ID name is Rahul. I show you here 101 employee ID name is Rahul. And the third is basic salary. Select the cell, use the is equal to, again use the VLOOKUP formula, select the employee ID, comma, again go to your employees data, select the all column and use the comma. Then here to get the basic salary, enter here column number of your basic salary. So here the column number 1, 2, 3. The 3 is basic salary column number. Okay, so enter here 3, comma, then select the false exact match and bracket closed and enter. Here you can see the Rahul basic salary is 20,000. Again, I go to my data 101 Rahul 20,000 is basic salary. Okay. HRA same as VLOOKUP. Select the employee ID, comma, go to your employees data, select entire data, then comma, then HRA column numbers is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So enter here 4, comma, select the false exact match, bracket closed and enter. Allowance same as VLOOKUP. Select the employee ID, comma, go to your employees data and select all column and use the comma. Then to get the allowance, enter the column number of allowance. So here column number of allowance is 5. So enter here 5. Use the comma, select the false exact match. That's now I'm going to calculate gross salary. Gross salary means total earning of employees. So I select the cell is equal to, I select the basic salary of employee, HRA and allowance and press the enter. The total earning of employees 28,000. The next PF, Provident Fund, 10%. So is equal to select your gross salary into 10%, your PF. Now next is a professional tax, is a fixed tax to 200 on salary. And next is other deduction. Make sure this other deduction is fixed for all employees if you enter here the manually. So I just enter here the 1000. And to calculate the total deduction, select the cell is equal to, select the PF plus professional tax plus other deduction. Okay, calculate So next is net salary. Net salary means salary is after deduction. So select the cell. Use this equal to select the gross salary minus total deduction and press the enter, and that's it. This is the net salary you will get on your hand. After enter this all detail, just change here the employee ID to change your employee details. So I just entered 102 and you can see the Priya detail showing 103, Amit detail showing. So this is the way you can automatic your salary slip. And in employee sheets data, you can add here more data also. It will automatically capture. Okay. So that's it. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.